Well, first off, I just want to say welcome. We really appreciate the opportunity to get together with all of you today.
We thought, wow, what if we could just get all of our users together and get them to talk to each other?
Major thing that we did this year is that we released Ignition 7.6.
That's the first time we've done a live demo in front of a studio audience.
It is certainly my pleasure to welcome you to the Ignition Community Conference 2014. Discover some new community, discover some new technology, make some new possibilities.
If you haven't had a chance, you should check out the Discover Gallery.
I bring to you the Inductive University.
You're here, the Ignition Community Conference 2015. The food truck's good, you guys enjoy it?
We challenge all of you guys to build great new projects, and you certainly did.
Hello, my name is Matt, the first Ignition-powered robot.
This is the ICC that almost didn't happen because we briefly entertained the idea of having these every other year. But we quickly came to realize the error of our ways. A number of you said, well, we're coming anyway.
Give yourselves a hand for being here, 2017 Ignition Community Conference.
We'll be moving into new headquarters. We purchased a 56,000 square foot building.
When I look around this room, I do not see a room full of followers. I see a room full of leaders.
Ignition 8. Ignition Perspective.
We have built the first ever ICC treasure hunt.
This is the Build-a-thon.
I give you the exchange.
This is our first ever fully virtual conference.
We figured might as well make this even more fun with some live demos.
Welcome to the 2021 Ignition Community Conference.